Thank you for tuning into this video. Today we're going to look at affiliate marketing. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we publish more videos. Don't forget to like the video. It lets YouTube know that content like ours is valuable to others. So let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. So, how does it work? An affiliate is anyone who promotes any service commercially with the help of a third party. The third party is the affiliate network. Affiliate networks like Commission Junction collect offers from merchants and present them to their members or affiliates for consideration. Each offer includes a unique tracking ID, also known as an affiliate tag, with which the affiliate's promotional materials will be tracked. A merchant or marketer who wants to make an offer available to affiliates creates an account as an affiliate network, fills out detailed information about its product and services, and then lets the network do the rest, including providing all necessary support and tracking codes required to track sales and commissions on every sale generated by traffic sent from that affiliate's website or email marketing campaign. Advertisers use performance-based terms in their relationships with their affiliates, offering fixed rates per sale or lead or percentages of sales. They typically set these in advance for the term of the agreement. Merchants sometimes also offer bonuses for generating a specified volume of sales within a specific time period. They encourage affiliates to send traffic to merchants' websites by promoting offers with banner ads, text links, and other forms of paid advertising. Email marketing has proven another successful method of generating affiliate sales. Because affiliates build their own list of prospective customers over time, they can be more cost-effective than undertaking product promotion through more conventional methods, such as print and audiovisual media. Affiliates manage their accounts and advertising materials, including banners, ads, text links, and promotional copy. Although most affiliate networks control the content of their advertisements, merchants provide support to affiliates if any technical or other issues arise during the performance of their contract or after it has been performed. So, you're probably thinking, what are the benefits of affiliate marketing? These are just few. High commissions ranging from 10% to 40%, no stock or inventory required, easy setup cost, few overheads, and high profit margins. Affiliate programs require both being in the right place at the right time and promoting quality products. Affiliate marketing is a good business to try. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Share your experience with affiliate marketing down below in the comment section. I will see you next time.